Welcome back to Mindful Moments by Open School India. I'm Meha Kapoor, a former teacher and counselor, here with another episode on mindfulness. Previously, we explored empathy and emotional connections. Today, we are talking about how hobbies can promote calm, focus, and self-connection, helping people of all ages slow down, breathe, and reconnect with themselves. Sometimes, mindfulness isn't meditation. It's simply doing something you love. Like art, music, nature. Art helps in creating beauty with your hands. Music helps you find rhythm in sound. Nature helps you connect with the earth. These small hobbies can heal your mind and connect you with yourself. Your focus returns, which helps you stay in the present moment as awareness flows naturally. 2. Your mind slows, which means your racing thoughts begin to find their rhythm. 3. Stress melts away, which allows tension to release from both body and mind. 4. Your heart lightens, which is when simple joy emerges effortlessly. That simple joy. That's mindfulness. No silence required. No mountain retreats. No candles. Just one activity that makes you feel peaceful. Our first hobby is art and creativity. When your hands move, your thoughts settle. Various forms of art are: 1. Painting and drawing. 2. Mandala coloring. 3. Doodling freely. 4. Working with clay. 5. Crafting and creating. Today art therapy is growing because creative expression naturally calms the mind. Our next hobby is music and sound healing. Music naturally lifts emotions and melts stress. Try 1. Listening deeply. 2. Playing any instrument like guitar, piano, or drums. 3. Singing freely, your voice releases emotions. 4. Curating calming playlists, choosing music that relaxes your mind. Now let us discuss our next hobby, that is mind-body harmony. Reconnecting body and mind can be done through 1. Yoga helps with gentle movement with intention. 2. Stretching helps in releasing physical tension. 3. Breath work helps in anchoring through conscious breathing. 4. Meditation helps in stillness and inner awareness. Our next hobby is nature's healing magic. Nature has its own magic. It makes your mind feel balanced. One of the easiest methods to connect with nature is 1. Gardening rituals, which includes planting, watering, nurturing growth. 2. Mindful walks can be done by moving through parks and green spaces. And the last 3. Sky watching, which includes sunrise, sunset, stars, clouds. Your personal joy activities. 1. Reading stories that transport and inspire. 2. Journaling, writing your thoughts and dreams. 3. Cooking, creating nourishment mindfully. 4. Photography, capturing beautiful moments. 5. Exploring, discovering new places and perspectives. Mindfulness is not a big lifestyle change. 1. Choose one hobby that makes you feel alive. 2. Practice for just 10 minutes every day. 3. Do it only for yourself, no pressure, no perfection. That little practice becomes your emotional strength. What we explored today: how hobbies help you stay mindful and connected with yourself. Small practices create profound shifts in your emotional well-being. Ready for more healing wisdom? Follow this podcast for powerful topics on self-growth, mindfulness, and emotional wellness. Please subscribe,